Hi, my name is Katie. I just got done riding the Blizzard Alight 7.7 ski. This is going to be a great front side kind of groomer ski, 77 underfoot. So it's going to be mainly for groomers. You get a little bit of powder. It's going to be a good performance as well still. Really initiates those long turns, does really well on those short turns as well. It's a full sidewall construction, so it's really going to excel at holding a great edge. This is a great beginner. Try to maybe even move up into an advanced intermediate kind of ski.